Can see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? Why the steps getting wasted even though we feel the same? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you light my way, find my way home again? My home is you. 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 My home is you.
Channel, welcome back, welcome to another episode. I don't know if this is going to be a vlog or a video on its own, but welcome to my welcome to my Temu Try haul. So I just got some few stuff from Temu, and I don't think they're up to $100 or somewhere around that. So I'm going to be trying out a few items that I got from Temu, and let's see how it is, how you can look good under a budget. I already showed the other clip on how the items are, so I'm going to try on items from Temu, and let's see. You can leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to get into outfit number 1 and come from there. You can rate the outfit the way you want. Okay, let's start off with outfit number 1. This is how the first outfit looks like. The boot is so beautiful and comfortable. So this is how the first outfit looks like. What do you all think? I'm so impressed, especially with this jacket going on. It has some sort of mini pockets here. I think it's just a design, and it's so comfortable, you know. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to pair it now with some accessories, and we see how it goes. Yeah, you all remember this accessory? I had this hat on sometime. I got this on Temu too, I think for I can't remember. I'm going to link everything in the description box. I got this, and I think putting this together with the glasses, everything from Temu, from my head to toe, is from Temu. So what do y'all think? Do you think it's beautiful? Okay, I think it looks awesome. Oh, I want to dance with somebody. Yeah, and it's so comfortable, and I got this to think it's so comfortable. I love it. Yeah, just like that, and I'm ready. Okay, let me go get into outfit number 2. Given the fact that it's so cheap. Oh, can you stand one place? I don't think it's gonna go that way. And I think it's so beautiful. This is look number 2, and I think it's so awesome given how affordable it is. I also got the glasses from Temu, and this winter, I don't know what is happening here. The fur winter cap. I also got the fur winter cap. It's so soft. As you can see, it's so soft. I got it from Temu too. And of course, with a mini dress. This is how it looks. This is exactly how I saw it on Temu website, and I decided to get mine. What do y'all think? Okay, and this is how the concept is supposed to look like. I'm just going to pair it with my winter jacket. Let me show you guys how I envisage it. So this is just to have this on, you know. Oof. Okay, this is chaotic. The stripes are a little small. So this is the concept. This is the concept. Have it like this, maybe for a dinner date or something. What do y'all think? Okay, it looks from the back. It's not too short. Yeah, I just love the fact that it's not too mini, like right here. but at least it's somewhere there. And also the boot. Guys, you see why I love my phone, why I was filming, my battery ran down. So this is the last outfit for today. The audio is going to be horrible, but I might do a voice over. Yeah, so this is the last outfit for today. Yeah, is this it's like a metallic, it's not leather, it's like metallic, and it's so soft and it stretches. So this is so good. And I don't have anyone, sorry my poor belly, I don't have anyone. My stomach is so big, guys. I think I have to buy a shapewear so I can hide. See, here is better. We see this place, that's the worst. Let me try to tuck it and see if it works. So yeah, so this is the last outfit. I don't really have someone to help me with the zipper, so this is how it looks at the back. This is pretty much how it looks. Yeah, Hobby's not here to help me, so he can zip me up or even take my pictures. And my battery is down. Oh, no problem. So these are the outfits, or these are the 3 looks that I got from Temu. So what do you all think? Is it a yay or a nay? You can leave your comments in the, you can drop your comments in the comment section, and let's see how I did for the first haul, for my first haul. And I think I have some hauls too for winter. I'm not going to be shooting them today, I'm tired. I'm so exhausted. Shoot me with battery, I have to charge the camera. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Please, if you love content like this, please don't forget to share. Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts. Let me know if you do love them. Yeah, alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.